Good morning. Me and a few of the team members are off to Sydney. We're here in Melbourne, that's where we're based. We're headed off to an event that we've been invited to. It's an event for cabinet makers, manufacturers and joiners held by Biesse, Cabinet Vision and Jobman. It's way too early if you ask me, and we finished way too late last night. We were building out our manufacturing AI software, and I think we're running on a collective of like maybe 11 hours between the three of us, so that's absolutely insane. But we're pumped this morning, although the morale looks down, but inside we're really happy. We don't know what today holds. We've actually got no idea what we're supposed to be doing. But as always, we're moving forward in faith and just always prepared, never ready. And we're just gonna kill it. Whatever comes our way, we just know we're gonna do it.
One more coffee and out.
Guess who made it to Sydney? We're here at the Biesse factory. Today there's a world-class event. I think it's a world-first event. Biesse, Jobman, Cabinet Vision. I don't know what's in store. I can't wait to see it, but I can tell you this. From the little bit I know, it's game-changing. It's going to change the industry. It's going to change manufacturing. It's going to make cabinet making and joinery way better than ever imagined, and I can't wait to keep you posted.
Welcome to the Biesse Cabinet Vision Jobman event of the year.
Today we are basically looking at a complete walkthrough of an actual factory setup with machines live connected to software.
And has this actually never been done at all before?
Never. And Australia, Sydney is the first.
The biggest story to tell today is how you have the synergy between the different pieces of what used to be individual technologies.
Benefit of the manufacturing comes only to fruition when everything is glued together, we jelly together the machines, the CAD/CAM, the design part of it, but also the ERP, the management of the factory.
It was 100 out of 100. We had huge customer engagement. People came from New Zealand, flew in from South Australia. They just came from everywhere.
I love it. I love getting as many people as we can together. It's great, the collaborations between the different companies that are here, like Jobman, and seeing how that all comes together and going through to the full end with Biesse.
Would you agree with the statement that you are working towards a world to make manufacturing great again?
Yes, absolutely.
I think, yes, we're going to make the industry awesome.
So follow their instructions as well as all illuminated information signs.
It's 10:30. My day started at 3. The rest of the guys also started early. It's a big day. It's one of the best ones I've had in my 3 years, and what a day.
No, I'd like to curse. I just want to say, guys, remember to like and subscribe, comment under the EB YouTube channel, get those subscribers up. Have an amazing day. Okay, stay safe.